Our copper network has been in existence for 50 or something years and has a lot of legacy test infrastructure that continually tests the electrical quality of those lines. And the network was built in a time before the internet, before broadband services. And the test results don't always give us a reliable indication of somebody's internet performance. We were able to use Hadoop to provide a deeper analysis of the electrical characteristics of the network so that we could better predict customers' internet speeds, so we could find when a slow internet problem was actually caused by the network or whether it was actually not a network issue, actually a customer issue. It allows us to save wasted truck rolls, and that's a big saving to the business. Over time, it certainly runs into millions. Internet of Things and fleet vehicle analytics is a growing area for us. We offer fleet services as a managed service to other utility companies. One of the competitive edge features that we can offer is the ability to instrument those vehicles and collect data from them. And where we want to get to is be able to do predictive analytics around faults, so we can identify a vehicle failing early. We can actually improve the lifetime of that vehicle and ensure that we reduce our overall carbon footprint. A major problem for us has always been application integration and data integration. We have over 2,000 registered business applications, and connecting any two of those is always a major cost exercise and a big undertaking. So being able to integrate that data in a single place is definitely a big reason for us choosing Hadoop. We looked at, for our first use cases, at batch applications, which would be a good fit for Hadoop at the time. And we had an old customer master file application. It was in excess of 12 years old, but it had very long batch run times and it was on a very old software platform. We went from PowerPoint to production in about 9 months, which is one of our fastest service launches within IT. They're now taking 8 hours to process data that used to take 24, but in addition to that, they're processing 5 times the volume of data, so that's a 15x improvement in throughput. An important factor for BT choosing Cloudera as a distribution was the value add we got from Cloudera Manager. And Cloudera Manager has definitely been an important aspect to ensuring we're on a stable and reliable Hadoop platform. Our ROI figure for the Hadoop investment at that time, which was within a year of the investment, was 200 to 250%.